This here is quality of an iPhone 3GS. And yes, I just butchered the name of iPhone. There's one previous to this that was done on an LG smartphone. But I figured that you'd get a little better quality with this one. Because I love this phone. Shows things that other phones can't. I'm using the light post as a stance, a point of reference. So that you guys know that the screen is working. And I'm just waiting for that big one. The one that everybody wants to see and catch. I want to see a striker right across the sky. By the way, this is in Texas. I'm in Grand Prairie. Bring me that horizon. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And boy, oh boy, is there beauty.